how to transfer Ethereum from Binance to Phantom Wallet. Now, first of all, we need to get to withdrawal address of Ethereum from our Phantom Wallet. Now, to be able to do that, make sure to open the Phantom Wallet app and make sure to log into your wallet. After that, in the home, as you can see, now click on Ethereum. And now to get the withdrawal address of your token, now just click on receive. Now, as you can see, you can copy the withdrawal address from here. So after you copy the withdrawal address, now go back and open your Binance app. After you open the Binance app, make sure to click on, or make sure before to log into your account and tap on assets. Now tap on withdraw, as you can see. But before that, make sure to select this spot from the top bar, and now you can click on withdraw. Now in the search bar, now you can type the Ethereum like that. So after you find the Ethereum token, click on it. Now click on send via crypto network. And now in the address, now provide the address that you got from your Phantom Wallet of Ethereum. The network, select the Ethereum ERC20 and the amount you can type how much you want to transfer. Now after that, click on withdraw. And after that, in about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your Ethereum on your Phantom Wallet from Binance. So this is how to transfer Ethereum from Binance to Phantom Wallet. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.